everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about 3 healthy mocktails that you can make at home. Simple, easy, and delicious. My name is Erin, I am a health coach, I am a home herbalist, and I love sharing about holistic health and empowering you to be healthy in your own home. So I want to show you a couple ways to craft your own healthy mocktails. Now this is if you're trying to avoid alcohol, avoid sugar, which I recommend you do both, and also if you just want to drink more water but you're feeling kind of bored of just drinking plain water all the time. I am currently on day 64 of a no alcohol and no sugar cleanse, and I have to say that drinking just plain water all the time is so boring for me. So a lot of these recipes are from me just getting creative and finding fun ways to make my water like have more medicinal value in it, have more medicinal properties, and have a fun boost of flavor. So I hope these recipes support you. Before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to get notified when I post videos like this every week, and come say hi over on Instagram. I would love to meet you. So obviously we know that alcohol isn't really that great for us, right? But the other thing I want to do is share about sugar. So a lot of people think that actually it's fat that makes you overweight, but it's actually having too much sugar. Sugar is 8 times more addicting than cocaine, meaning that if you're having even a little bit of sugar, your body's going to keep craving sugar. So I highly recommend that you eliminate sugar from your life as much as possible and use sweet replacements like Stevia, Xylitol, Monkfruit, and just find ways to get your sugar fix through things like fresh fruit. For many of you that have been on this channel for a while, you know that my herbal journey and really my health journey began with my mom. She was always into natural health, natural healing, herbs, meditation, things like that. And so actually in 6th grade, she noticed I was drinking a lot of soda, and so she offered me $200 to quit drinking soda for a year, which I tried. And actually after a year, I found that I really didn't even like it. It didn't make me feel that good. It made me feel bloated. It made me feel yucky, and it gave me a sugar crash. And so I haven't really been drinking soda since, although I do like a bubbly drink every now and then. But I do like to drink a lot of water. I like to feel highly hydrated, and I've been cleansing for the last 64 days. No sugar, no alcohol. Finding more ways to drink water where I don't get bored has been really, really helpful. So I hope these recipes inspire you to make some drinks at home that are sugar-free, alcohol-free, and help you get hydrated. So the things that you'll need for these drinks are your favorite unsweetened sparkling water, your favorite sugar-free sweetener, as I mentioned, stevia. I'm using liquid stevia in this video. And the other thing that you'll need is apple cider vinegar with the mother. And you'll need your favorite herbal tea. In this video, I'm using lavender and hibiscus. Please keep in mind that these are just ideas of recipes. I really just kind of want to give you like a framework of different things that you can do, but please know that you can sub in any different flavors of sparkling water that you like, or any herbs and tea that you like over the ones that I've chosen. Okay, so first we're gonna make a healthy grape soda. So you're going to take your glass and add 1 capful of apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to add your favorite sugar-free sweetener of choice. I am using between 5 and 10 drops of liquid stevia, and then pour over top your unsweetened grape sparkling water. Give it a little stir, check and make sure that it's sweet enough for you, and there you go, you have your yummy, healthy grape soda. Super easy and delicious. Keep in mind that you can use any flavor of sparkling water with this. If grape isn't your thing, that's cool. I actually have another video where I did a lemon lime healthy soda, and I'll put the link to that in the description. So next we're gonna create a sparkling strawberry hibiscus mocktail. So first you're going to make a cup of hibiscus tea, or you're going to use loose leaf hibiscus. I suggest between a teaspoon and a tablespoon of dried hibiscus, and you're going to make yourself a cup of tea and then let it cool. Then in a large glass, you're gonna add, again, 1 capful of apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to add your favorite sugar-free sweetener of choice. And then you're gonna pour half hibiscus tea and half your choice of sparkling water. I am using strawberry flavor. The hibiscus is a beautiful addition because it adds this lovely red color, and it's also very high in vitamin C. So keep in mind, this mocktail can be made with any combination of your favorite sparkling water and tea. You can also do some sort of fresh juice like fresh orange or fresh beet juice, which adds a lovely color as well. You could also add like pomegranate juice or something like that. I wouldn't do half and half though. If you're going to use actual fresh juice, you just need a little bit, maybe about 1/4 cup. Okay, and our final drink that we're gonna make is an herbal lavender lemonade. So basically, I just wanna teach you how to make an herbal lemonade. Other herbal teas I like to use for making lemonades are peppermint, Oatstraw, Elderflower, Chamomile, and any other herbal tea that you feel like would go well with a lemonade. So there's 2 ways that you can go about making your herbal lemonade. You can use this beautiful HYDRATE powder. It's from a local company where I live. It's a B certified company, which means they have quality ingredients and high integrity in their company. It has minerals and electrolytes, which is great because a lot of the mineral and electrolyte powders on the market have a lot of sugar, which I again recommend avoiding. This one has stevia, so I love this one. This one's my favorite. So I'm gonna teach you how to make it with the HYDRATE powder and then also just with plain lemon and stevia. So first you're going to make a cup of lavender tea and then let it cool. If you're using the HYDRATE powder, you're going to mix 1 tablespoon of the HYDRATE powder with your lavender tea or whatever tea you decide to use. If you're skipping the HYDRATE powder, you can use about 1/4 to 1/2 squeeze of fresh lemon with your sweetener of choice, and then add your ice and stir it around. So very simple. There you go. You have your herbal lemonade. Again, you can use with any other herbal tea that you like, and it's super easy and helps you stay hydrated, especially if you're using the minerals and electrolyte powder. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you realize how simple it is to make yummy, healthy drinks without the sugar, without the alcohol, and that will help keep you hydrated and excited to keep drinking more water. It really is important that our bodies are hydrated and that we're avoiding sugar and alcohol as much as possible because these are not health promoting things. Avoiding sugar and alcohol is one of the best things that you can do for your health. Let me know in the comments what drink that you're gonna make. I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to get notified every week when I post new videos. Come over on Instagram and say hi. I would love to meet you. I also have a recipes playlist with tons of other different recipes similar to this one that you can check out. I'll link that below and put a link to it at the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. And I'm sending you blessings for a vibrant, healthy, and abundant life where you feel empowered to make healthy creations for yourself and your family at home. All right, bye friends. So much love. Mwah.